Come in the textbook, page number 119. Page number 119, activity 1, homework. Right. Quick, and then need to discuss theoretical parts available in the textbook today. Right. Right. Then here in grade 10, page number 119, activity 1. Under the activity 1, you need to prepare the bank account for the month ended 30th June 2023 and balance it, and then post the entries to other ledger accounts and balance them. In this question, you need to in this question you need to prepare bank account of the business organization, and you need to prepare relevant ledger accounts. Okay, bank account of the business organization and relevant ledger accounts. Students, a question similar to this question we have discussed in page number 3. In page number 3 of your textbook. In page number 3 of your textbook, we have discussed a question similar to this question. Okay, we have discussed a question similar to this question. Therefore, I think it is not required to discuss activity 1. Okay, if you have any doubt, please check the answer of question number 1 and 2 of the tube. Okay, similar question. Okay, you can see a similar question in our tube. Therefore, I'm not going to discuss this question. Ramai, under the bare reconciliation, we have discussed a similar question. Okay, question number 1 and question number 2 of the tube. Therefore, no need to discuss activity 1 in page number 190. If you have any doubt, you can watch. Okay, you can study. You can go through question number 1 and question number 2. Clear? Okay, right. The students, today quickly we will complete question number 8 of the tube. I think we haven't discussed question number 8, eh?
No, sir.
No, right. Students, right. Quickly we discuss. Quickly complete question number 8. Complete question number 8. Right, Lamai? Look at the question 8. Look at the question number 8. You need to get the printout of the tube. Lamai, get the printout of the tube. Right. Right. Lamai, look at the question. Look at the question. Following are extracted from the bank account of Istra's business. Istra, a business belongs to you. Okay. Istra's business and the bank statement received from the bank as at 31st July 2023. These are the information of Istra's business. Right here you can see bank account. In page number 6 you can see bank account of the business organization. And then in the page number 7 you can see bank statement sent by the bank. Bank statement sent by the bank. Okay, bank statement sent by the bank. This is the bank account prepared by the business organization. This is the bank account prepared by the business organization. And then this is the bank statement prepared by the bank, by the commercial bank. Let's say this is the bank statement prepared by the DFCC bank. DFCC bank. Okay, Sampath bank or BOC bank. And then first one is adjust the bank account as of 31st July 2023. Second one, prepare the bank reconciliation statement using the adjusted bank balance. Right, Ramai? Quickly we will do this question. Question number 8. Question number 8. Quickly, please draw adjusted bank account and a bank reconciliation statement For the question number 8. Question number 8. Adjusted bank account. Adjusted bank account. And then bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. Right. Here, balance as per adjusted bank account. And then plus and minus, plus minus, balance as per bank statement. Balance as per bank statement. Okay. Balance as per adjusted bank account, balance as per bank statement. If you don't have a clear idea regarding bank reconciliation, please watch my videos. Okay, the bank reconciliation, I think video 1, 2, 3. We have 3 videos. Please watch those videos to get the real idea of bank reconciliation. Okay, right. Ramai, for the question B, adjusted bank account, bank reconciliation state. Okay, we will do this question. And after completing this question, you need to do question number 9. Okay, right. Question A, adjusted bank account, bank reconciliation statement. Here, balance as per adjusted bank account, here balance as per bank statement. Okay, that's right, Lamai. Then opening balance of the adjusted bank account, how much? Opening balance, how much? Opening balance? Adjusted bank account, opening balance, how much?
22,000.
83,000.
Adjusted bank account for the question number 8, right? The question number 8. Adjusted bank account, opening balance, how much? Opening balance, incorrect bank balance, how much?
19,000.
19,000?
22,000.
We are discussing question number 8. In question number 8, adjusted bank account, opening balance. Opening balance means incorrect bank account balance. How much?
35,000.
Yes, 35,000. Okay, yeah. Adjusted bank account, opening balance is how much? 35,000. Incorrect bank balance is 35,000. This bank balance you need to correct. This incorrect bank balance you need to correct. Therefore, opening adjusted bank account balance, how much? 35,000. This is the balance that you need to correct. Okay, right. Then students here, balance brought forward, how much? Balance brought forward 35,000. Opening bank balance of how much? Opening bank balance 35,000. Incorrect bank balance. ඔයාලා incorrect bank balance එක. ඔය incorrect bank balance එක තමයි අපි correct කරන්න ඕනේ. හරිනේ අපි correct කරන්න ඕනේ ළමයි incorrect bank balance එක. මෙතන incorrect bank balance එක තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Incorrect bank balance. Okay then. Right. And then it's right. Right. Now you need to compare. Now you need to compare bank account with the bank statement. Please compare. You need to mark. You need to mark. You need to mark. Bank account debit side will be bank statement. In this question, bank account opening balance 22,000. Our bank statement also opening balance 22,000. Opening balance is equal. Opening balance is equal. If opening balance is not equal, you can properly prepare bank reconciliation statement. Okay, here opening bank account balance should be equal to opening bank statement balance. Okay, right then opening balance should be equal here. Opening bank balance 22,000. Opening bank statement balance 22,000. Now my questions that opening balance is not equal. Discuss in advance. Okay, in O level, in all the questions, opening balance is equal. Opening bank balance equal to opening bank statement balance in O level. Okay, right. Then please mark 22,000 and please mark 22,000 in the bank account and then bank statement 22,000. Opening balance is okay. And then bank account debit side 26,000. You have deposited 26,000 check. And then sorry, cash deposit. And then that 26,000 is available in the bank statement. 26,000 okay. Please mark. Please mark. Okay, opening balance equal and then 26,000 also okay. You have debited, the bank has credited, then no issue. And then you have deposited 17,000 check. That check is available in the bank statement. In the bank statement, you can see that 17,000 check. Then please mark. Please mark. Bank account debit side 17,000, bank statement credit side 17,000. 17,000 okay. Please mark. And then debit side 21,000 check in the bank account. In the bank statement, credit side 21,000 check. Then that check also okay. In the bank account, debit side 21,000. And then in the bank statement, credit side 21,000. 21,000 okay. Please mark 21,000. 21,000. But issue on this 12,000. You have deposited 12,000 check, but that check is not available in the bank statement. Then what is this check? What is this 12,000 check?
Unrealized check.
Yes, unrealized check. How much? 12,000. You have deposited 12,000 check, but still unrealized. Still, the commercial bank has not collected cash for this check. Still unrealized check. Unrealized check 12,000. Then we have a record unrealized check. Can't we? We have a record unrealized check. This has now we have a record unrealized check. This has now we have a record unrealized check. We have a record unrealized check. 12,000.
In the bank statement.
Bank statement. You have deposited 12,000. Huh?
In minus.
Yeah, in the bank reconciliation.
In the bank reconciliation statement.
Yes, in the bank reconciliation. Okay, you have deposited 12,000 check, but what is still the check cash should be realized. It means still the bank has not collected cash for that check. That is not your fault. Okay, it is not an error of the business. Okay, a technical delay. A technical delay in Sri Lanka. You have deposited 12,000 check. You have deposited 12,000 check in the bank account. In the bank account, but still the bank, the Sampat bank has not collected cash for that check. That is not an error of your business. You have properly recorded. But because of this unrealized check, there's a difference between bank account and bank statement. Then that difference right now, then that unrealized check where we record in the bank reconciliation statement. Now, please watch previous 3 recordings. Very important. We have discussed each and every point in detail. Right, then here, this 12,000 unrealized check where we record in bank reconciliation statement. That is not your fault. And then here, students, through the bank reconciliation statement, you need to provide reasons for the top management of the business. Tamai bank reconciliation through what top management of the business reasons then no. You need to supply information for the top management of the business through a bank reconciliation. Therefore, you need to prepare bank reconciliation. And then in the bank reconciliation, here you include your balance. Balance as per you, balance as per the bank account of the business. And then here, balance as per the bank statement prepared by the commercial bank. Then through the reconciliation statement, you need to provide reasons for the difference to the top management of the business. Come here, this 12,000 check you have added to the bank account. You have added to bank balance. You have added to bank balance. Okay, you have added to bank balance. Adjusted bank account balance you need to transfer to reconciliation. Come then this 12,000 check you have added, but still the bank has not added. Bank statement prepared by whom? Isra, bank statement prepared by whom? Bank statement.
Yes.
Huh?
So are you asking the balance?
I'm asking bank statement of the business. Bank statement. Bank statement received to the business. Prepared by whom? Bank statement prepared by Naditi?
The bank?
Yes, the bank. The bank statement prepared by the bank. Then ask for the bank statement prepared by the bank. Okay. Okay. Here, right. In this line, you can mention balance as per the bank statement. That bank statement prepared by the commercial bank. The bank statement balance. Okay, bank statement prepared by the bank. But in your bank account, you have recorded 12,000, but still the bank has not recorded 12,000 check. You have debited 12,000 check. You have debited 12,000 check, but bank has not credited. Bank has not credited. Neither unrealized check. Unrealized check. You have added, then you need to deduct. You need to deduct. You need to deduct. You have added, then you need to deduct. If I deducted this 12,000 from my balance will be equal to bank statement balance. Reconciliation මොකක්ද doubt එකක් තියෙනවා ළමයි මුලින් තියෙන recordings එක බලන්න. බලන recordings එක බලලා උඩට දාගන්න. අර reconciliation නැත්තම් මහලු දෙයක් නෑ දැන් මගේ physical class තමයි. අර ටට්ට ගාලා answers දෙනවා. ඔයාලා online එකේ හින්දා මට කියන්න බෑ කොහොමද කියලා ඔයාලගේ level එක කොහොමද කියලා. බලන්න. බලලා උඩට දාගන්න. right දෙලම වෙන්න 12,000 plus නේද? Then that 12,000 you need to deduct. Unrealized check. Unrealized check 12,000 you need to deduct. Unrealized check 12,000 you need to deduct. Unrealized check. Okay, then finally try. Okay, then unrealized 12,000 you need to deduct. Yes. Right. Look at the question again. Now my debit side of the bank account, okay. Debit side of the bank account, okay. But we will check the credit side of the bank account. Look at the credit side of the bank account. Right then here you have issued 9,000 check, and then that check is available in the bank statement. Right, okay. 9,000 check. You have credited the bank has credited. 50,000 check. You have issued 50,000 check. The bank has debited. All right, okay. Bank has debited. Then okay. And then 9,000 check. You have issued 9,000 check, but that 9,000 check is not available in the bank statement. 9,000 check is not available. Then what is this 9,000 check?
Unpresented checks.
Present.
Yes, unpresented. You have issued 9,000 check, but still the supplier, the receiver of the check, has not presented this check to the bank. You have credited, you have deducted 9,000 from your balance. You have deducted, you have credited, you have deducted 9,000, but still the bank has not debited. The bank has not debited. This is not a fault of your business. Make my all fault and one of the technical delays you have nothing to do. Okay, therefore, in the reconciliation statement, you need to show this reason. This reason you need to show through the reconciliation statement. I have deducted 9,000 from my balance, but still the bank has not deducted. Then, if I add this 9,000 again to my balance will be equal to bank statement balance. Here you record balance as per registered bank account. Then, if you add this 9,000 again to your balance will be equal to bank statement balance. Then here unpresented check. Unpresented check. Check number unpresented check 9,000. 503. Check number 503. Yeah. Wait and write down check number. Here also. Yes. For 503. Yes. 503. And then this 12,000 184 check number. Okay, that right and right. Is it clear? Question is clear or not? Inoki, clear? Right. Nadilia, is it clear, Nadilia?
Yes.
Yes, sir, right. And then right. Bank account credit side 13,000. That 30,000 check is available in the bank statement. 30,000 okay. 30,000 okay. And then another check 17,000. You have issued 70,000 check. But this 70,000 check is not appeared in the bank statement. This 70,000 check we can't see in the bank statement. Not available in the bank statement. You have issued 70,000 check, but still the bank has not paid cash for this 70,000 check. You have issued, but still the bank has not issued 17,000 to the supplier, to the person who gave you the check. Still, the bank has not given 70,000 rupees to the relevant person. Then this 70,000 unpresented check. In unpresented check, this 70,000 is not your fault. Make all fault one of the technical elements will have nothing to do. Then this 70,000 you have deducted. You have deducted 70,000 from your balance, but still the bank has not deducted. Then the 70,000 again you need to. Sorry. You have deducted. You have deducted 70,000. Yes, you have deducted 70,000, but the bank has not deducted. Then you have deducted balance. You need to the deducted balance you need to add back. The deducted balance you need to add back. Then here unpresented check. Check number 506. 506. How much? 17,000. 17,000 and 17,000. Right. Ramai, do you have any doubt? Monali, do you have any doubt, Monali? Metushika, is it clear, Metushika?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Right, Ramai, bank account okay. Bank account okay. Please write bank account okay. Please look at the bank statement. Unmarked point. Lamai unmarked. Mark question I think about the bank statement. Okay, right. 26,000 okay. Opening balance 22,000 you have marked. At first we will consider the credit side of the bank statement. At first we will look at the credit side of the bank statement and then debit side. Now I look at the credit side. Opening balance 22,000 okay. Cash deposit 26,000 okay. You have marked. 26,000 you have marked. And then 70,000 also you have marked. No problem. 70,000 also you have marked. Next one. 21,000. 21,000 also okay. You have marked. 21,000 check also you have marked. That is okay. 21,000 okay. And then now direct remittance by a debtor. One of the debtor directly deposited cash into the business bank account. For example, you deposit class fees to my account. Class fees. Direct deposit. Direct deposit. Okay. One of the debtor directly deposited cash into business bank account. But still, the business is not aware of this direct remittance. One of the debtor directly deposited 60,000 check, 60,000 cash into the bank account. But until we receive a bank statement, the business is not aware about the bank direct remittance. Okay, one of the debtor directly deposited, but still the business is not aware. Then this direct remittance, where we record this direct remittance? We haven't recorded. One of the mistake done by us, our business. Then this direct remittance where we record. Monali, where we record this direct remittance. Monali. Monali, where we record.
In the adjusted bank account?
Yes, adjusted bank account. In the adjusted bank account, you need to debit one of the fold from your end. You haven't recorded that direct remittance. That is your fault. What's the double entry for that direct remittance of 16,000? What's the double entry? What's the double entry of this 16,000? Himaya. What's the double entry for this 60,000 Himaya? Isra, what's the double entry for this 16,000? Isra.
Bank
Anyone else?
account debit, debtors account credit.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. Of this 16,000, the double entry is adjusted bank account debit. Bank account debit 16,000 and then debtors account credit. Debtors. One of the debtor directly deposited cash into our account. Then in our adjusted bank account debit relevant debtor account credit. That's a double entry. Okay, that's a double entry. Cash inflow. Here, cash inflow. Bank account and cash book of the business. Right, Ramai, bank account similar to cash book. Here received cash to the bank, cash inflow, then bank account debit, and then debtor account credit. Right, Ramai, here we check the credit side of the bank statement. We check the credit side of the bank statement, credit side. Look at the debit side of the bank statement. Look at the debit side of the bank statement. 9,000 okay. 9,000 you have marked. 9,000 okay. 15,000 also you have marked. No problem. 14,000 standing order bank loan 14,000. Lamai, what is this? Standing order payment. You have ordered to the bank to pay 14,000 to bank loan. Okay, you have ordered to the bank to pay 14,000 for the bank loan in each month. You have ordered to the bank, standing order. You have given an order to the bank, standing order. But you were unable to record that 14,000 in your bank account until you receive in the bank statement. That is your fault. That is one of the error. That is one of the error done by you. Then you need to correct that error as soon as possible. If you are the accountant of the business, you need to correct that issue. Then standing order payment for the bank loan 40,000. Lamai, what's the double entry of this 40,000? Yasina, what's the double entry of this 40,000? Tarun, what's the double entry? Tarun.
Adjusted bank account credit, bank loan account debit.
Yes, very good, Tarun, very good. Right, and here double entry for that 40,000 means adjusted bank account credit. Means bank account credit, bank loan account debit. Then here bank loan credit 14,000. No need to prepare a bank loan account, huh? No need to prepare a bank loan account. Adjusted bank account credit. Sir, when the amount is available in bank account is not available in the banks, because when the amount available in the bank account is not available in the bank statement. Yes, this has now. This has now. When the amount is available in the bank account, it's not. No, it is as now. If the balance available in the debit side is not available in the bank statement, credit side, then that is unrealized check. And if balance available in the balance available in the credit side of the bank account is not available in the bank statement, then that is unpresented check. Whether debit side missing check. This is now unrealized check. Credit side missing check, unpresented check. Okay, this is now.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Kiribathgoda says Medine. This 12,000 check is not available in the bank statement credit side. Then this 12,000 unrealized check. But this 17,000 check not available in the debit side of the bank statement. Then this 17,000 unpresented. Okay, right. Right, Lamai, standing order payment, bank account credit, bank loan account debit. Tarun, answer is correct, huh? Right. Look at the next transaction. Lamai, in the bank statement credit debit side, bank statement debit side, 40,000 okay, 30,000 okay, and then 2,500 bank charges. Bank charges. One of the error done by you, you were unable to record. You are unable to record 2,500 bank charges. Samai, what's the double entry of this 2,500? Hasid, what's the double entry of this 2,500? Hasid. What's the double entry? Inuki, what's the double entry? Inuki. Inuki.
Adjusted bank account credit, bank charges debit.
Yeah, bank charges debit, yes. Bank account credit, bank charges account debit. Okay, right. Cash outflow, therefore bank adjusted bank account credit. Yes, this is not correct. All right. Then here, my bank charges Bank charges, adjusted bank account credit, bank charges. Bank charges 2,500. And then bank charges expense account debit. Bank charges expense. Expense. Okay, if you have a current account, you need to pay a charge to commercial bank. Lama, if you have a savings account, commercial bank will pay you interest. Commercial bank will pay you interest. You can earn income. If you have a fixed deposit account, you can earn income. You can receive interest income. But if you have a current account, you need to pay cash to the commercial bank. You need to pay some amount to commercial bank as bank charges. A bank charge you need to pay to the commercial bank. This is that bank charge, 2,500. Right, fine. All the unmarked balances we have recorded, right? Quickly balance of bank account. Adjusted bank account, please balance off. Closing bank balance, how much?
High side is the debit side.
Yes, closing bank balance, how much? This is how much?
34,500.
34,500. Is correct. Is it correct? 34,500. Correct or wrong?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Right. Then balance carried down and then balance brought forward. If I correct bank balance, you have corrected bank balance. The corrected bank balance is 34,500. Right now, this adjusted bank balance you need to record in the bank reconciliation statement. Reconciliation statement balance as per adjusted bank account. Now you have corrected bank balance. Corrected bank balance 34,500. But because of these reasons, there's a difference between bank account and bank statement. Right. If you properly prepare the bank reconciliation statement, you should be able to calculate bank statement balance through the bank reconciliation statement. Now, if you properly prepare the bank reconciliation statement, you should be able to calculate bank statement balance through the bank reconciliation statement. Right. Quickly calculate balance as per bank statement. On percentage check total amount how much? 26,000. 26,000. Then 60,500. Right. And then 12,000 minus. How much balance?
48,500.
47,500. Right. Right. Let's see how much? 40,500. Right. Yes, 40,000. Right. Now, balance as per bank statement 48,500. Balance as per bank statement 40,500. Right. Done. The question also balance as per bank statement 40,500. Right. Now my question is clear or not? Hasid, is it clear, Hasid?
Yes, sir.
That's right. Himaya, is it clear, Himaya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Inuki, clear?
Yes, sir.
Isra?
Yes, sir.
Right. Isilu, clear, Isilu?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Menuri?
Clear, sir.
Right. Monali, okay, Monali?
Okay.
Nadilia?
Yes, sir.
Clear, right. Naditi, okay then?
Yes, sir.
Right. Metushika?
Clear, sir.
Clear. Pansar, okay then, Pansar? Pansar, clear, Pansar? Ranitha, okay, Ranitha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Sara?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tanvi?
Clear, sir.
Clear, right. Tinuli?
Clear, sir.
Venuja, clear, Venuja?
Yes.
Yes. Yasilu?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, is total to include. Yes, Tisasna, we can include dates in the registered bank account, but normally it is not required in the Excel. Okay, you can write down opening balance, right? Right. Opening bank balance, for the opening balance, you can write down the date. But normally date is not required to when you prepare an adjusted bank account and bank reconciliation. Okay. For the reconciliation, no need date. Bank adjusted bank account also, you no need dates. No need dates. Right, then can you complete question number 9? I will give you 10 minutes. Now, in the question number 9, the question number 9, in question number 9, in question number 9, now, this one should be bank charges. It is not bank deposit. Here, write down bank charges. Bank charges 4,000. Bank charges 4,000. And then that direct remittance is 6,200. Direct remittance 6,200. Direct remittance. Direct remittance 6,200. Direct remittance. 6,200. And then standing order payment 70,500. Standing order payment 70,500. Okay. Direct remittance that 6,200. Standing order payment 7,500. Sorry, 70,500 is standing order payment. Okay there. This is now okay. This is now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Right. Tinuli, okay, Tinuli.
Okay, sir.
Right. Then try to complete question number 9. Complete question number 9. I will give you 50 minutes. Try to complete within 50 minutes. All right. Inoki, this is not bank deposit. It should be bank charges. Bank charges 4,000. Okay, Inoki, okay then.
Okay, sir.
And then Inoki, मैंने मैं कमें direct remittance में थी मैं मैं direct debit second note 6,200. Da मैं बड़ी अलग आता direct debit 6,200. Direct debit 6,200. Da. And then okay, starting order payment is 70,500. Da. Starting order payment 70,500. Starting order payment. Everybody अलग आता है तो right. Try to complete within 50 minutes. 50 minutes, huh? Try to complete first. I think Isra, you may have some calculation error, Isra. Isra closing balance should be 134,925. You may have some calculation error. Now, पैसा adjusted bank account आ रहा है, 116 आ रहा है. पैसा direct debit is only to debit. Direct debit is 6,200. You have one recorded. Direct debit is only to debit. पैसा यासिन. Yasin, you need to check the balance, huh? Yasin. Ranit. Ranita, you need to check the question again. You may some calculation error, Ranita. Inuki. Inuki, I think question is correct, Inuki. Sarah, reconcile Sarah, you may also have some calculation or something, Sarah. Nitishika. It should be 935, 925 club bank servers. Nitishika, check the answer again. Tell me others. Alright, nothing there. Okay. Tell me others. Confirm answers. I need answers from others. Himaya, I need answers. Himaya. Ishidu, I need answers. Ishidu. Menuri.
Sir, I'm still working out.
Tanvi, Tisasna.
Sir,
Tinuli.
I sent you the answer.
Alright. Tinuli, Venuja. Sonal.
Right, it's a
Yasidu, please check out Yasidu. I think maybe correct, Yasidu. We'll check. Ranitha. Ranitha, I will check. Tisasna, okay, huh? Right. Let me really check the answer. Let me. Right, now others. What is that? Send me answers. Takale one answers. Venuja. Tinuli. Himaya. Ishidu. Sonal. ළමයි එක්ක WhatsApp එකට දාන්න නැත්නම් කෙලින්ම Zoom එකේ message එකට දාන්න. Right. Please check the answer. Right. Question number 9. Question number 9. Right. We'll start. We'll start. Look at the question. Right. Right. Then ළමයි question. Right. Opening bank balance is 145,000. Opening bank balance. Opening bank balance 145,000. Then ළමයි that 145,000 is opening balance of the bank statement. Opening bank account, right hand bank account opening balance 145,000. Bank statement also opening balance 145,000. Right. So opening balance is all. And then ළමයි cash deposit 10,000 for 10,000. And then this 10,000 is appeared in the statement. 10,000 okay. Statement credit. Bank account debit. Statement credit. 40,500 bank account debit. Bank account debit. Statement credit. 40,500 also okay. 7,800. You have debited 7,800, but that 7,800 is not available in the statement. Then ළමයි the 7,800 unrealized check. Then unrealized check minus unrealized check 7,800. Unrealized check 7,800. Unrealized check 7,800. 7,800 minus. Right, and then unrealized check okay. The next one. Right. Debit 90,000, but in the bank statement now. In the bank statement, we can't see that 90,500. The line, the 90,000 check also 924, 90,000 check also unrealized check 90,500. Check number 924. Check number 924. Right. And then credit side of the bank statement, bank account. 18,000 you have issued check. And then that's 80,000 check we can see in the bank statement. You have credited, the bank has credited 80,000 now. You have credited 4,200. You have credit, but that 4,200 is available in the bank statement. 4,200 only. Right. Next one. 3,575. You have issued 3,575, but that 3,575 also available in the bank statement. Right. 3,575 also okay. Next one. 8,725 issued check. But 8,725 is not available in the statement. Am I unpercentage check? 8,725 unpercentage check. Unpercentage check. Unpercentage check 720 8,720 8,725 unpercentage check plus 8,725 unpercentage check plus. And then our next one in the bank account you have issued 1,300 check. And that 1,300 check also is not available in the bank statement. 1,300 check not available in the bank statement. Then that check also unpresented check. Check number 721. 1,200, 1,300. Another unpresented check 1,300. 721. Check number 721. Right. Bank account okay. Now adjusted bank account opening balance 167,500. Balance brought forward. Incorrect bank balance. $167,500. Incorrect bank balance. And then check the bank statement. Look at the bank statement. I gave you some adjustments for the bank statement. Adjustment statement. Check the credit side of the bank statement. Look at the credit side of the bank statement. The credit side 6,200 unmarked one. Marker 6,200 one of the unmarked direct remittance. 6,200 direct remittance. 6,200 direct remittance. 6,200 direct remittance. Then direct remittance you need to debit into adjusted bank account. Adjusted bank account debit 6,002. Direct remittance. So write out direct remittance. Direct remittance 6,002. Direct remittance 6,200. Right, and then in the bank statement, credit side, unmarked one is direct remittance 6,200, and that 6,200 we have recorded in the adjusted bank account. And then look at the debit side. The debit side, the standing order payment 70,500. Standing order payment bank loan 70,500. Bank loan. Then adjusted bank account credit 70,500. Adjusted bank account credit 70,500. Standing order for the loan installment, therefore we write down bank loan 70,500. And then last one, bank charges 4,000. Bank charges you need to credit bank charges. Bank charges 4,000. Right, finish. Finish. Question is finished. Right. Quickly calculate the adjusted bank account balance. How much the adjusted bank account balance? 173,700. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. 173,700 and then transfer that amount by the side. 173,700 and then minus cash payments. Then my remaining cash balance how much? Adjusted bank account balance.
1,200.
Uh,
152,200.
152,200. Right. Right. Then balance carried down. Balance brought forward. Adjusted bank account balance 152,200. Adjusted bank account balance 152,200. Clear? Clear? And then transfer that amount into reconciliation statement 152,200. Right. And then now total unpresented check how much? 10,025. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Total unpresented check 10,025. Then unpresented check plus 162,225. And then minus unrealized checks
27,300.
97,000
27,300.
or 27,000.
Yes, sir.
And then balance transfer bank statement how much?
134,925.
Right. 134,925. Right. Question is over. Do you have any doubt? Pastor, is it clear, Pastor? Mithishika, answer is clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear, right? Pastor, answer कहोगे तो Pastor, clear. Himaya, is it clear, Himaya? Himaya, answer is clear or not? Himaya. Hasid, clear, Hasid?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Right. Right, the question 9 is over, right? I mean, Sally check the right. Right, the question 9 is okay, right? Then we'll go to a textbook. Look at the Lamai, please get the textbook. Please get the textbook. In the textbook, up to page number 118, we have discussed last day. Up to page number 118. And then activity 1, homework last day. Page number 119, activity 1, homework. Right. Right. Look at you can go through ask for the question number 1 and question number 2 in the tutor. Then and then you can balance this question. You can manage this question. Okay, therefore I'm not going to discuss this question again. Right. Now, shall we go to page number 120? Right, go to page number 120. Bank overdraft. Lamai, what do you mean by bank overdraft?
We are asking for money from an account where there's no enough money.
Yes, correct. Answer is correct. Answer is correct. Lamai, let's say like this, bank overdraft. Bank overdraft means, Lamai, say like this. Lamai, this is the cash book of the business, cash book. Cash book. Cash book opening balance, let's say 50,000. Opening cash book is 50,000. So this 50,000 opening cash balance. This 50,000 is an asset, liability, equity, income or expense. What is the category of this 50,000? Asset, liability, income, expense or equity? 50,000?
Equity?
Equity. Issue? Opening balance of the cash book. Himaya. Cash book opening balance. Asset, liability, equity, income or expense. Himaya.
Equity.
Equity. Then Pranita.
Asset.
Asset. Pasara. 50,000 Pasara.
Asset.
Asset, yes, asset. Opening cash balance, asset for the business, assets. If owner provided this 50,000, cash will increase, equity will increase. But here, opening cash balance, assets for the business, asset. Opening cash balance, asset. Okay, right. Then let's say, you deposited 30,000 in current account, in a bank account. You deposited 30,000 in the bank account. Bank, and then here 30,000 bank account debit, here cash. Now, what is this 30,000? Cash book credit 30,000 bank. What is this 30,000? Asset increase or asset decrease? This 30,000.
It's a decrease.
Yes, asset decrease. This 30,000 asset decrease. Now I'm making asset decrease, drop now. And then now here bank account debit. Asset increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase.
Yes, asset increase. Balance available in the bank increased by 30,000. Asset increase. Then this 30,000 also asset for the business. Then remaining balance of the cash book how much? 50,000 minus 30,000. Remaining balance how much? 20,000. That 20,000 also asset. And this 30,000 also asset for the business. Asset. This 30,000 also asset. Is it clear? Is not clear? Is not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Where is your clear? Where is your?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Yes, sir. Clear. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear. Right. Well, remaining balance of the cash book asset for the business. Asset. Remaining balance of the bank account. Here bank account balance is 30,000. Asset for the business. Asset for the business. Let's say like this. Let's say in this business, Sarah is the accountant. In this business, Sarah is the accountant. Sarah is the accountant. In this business, one of the supplier, Tinuli, one of the supplier in this business, Tinuli Thinely one of the supplier. And then this business organization need to pay. This business organization need to pay 70,000 to Thinuli. Thinuli one of the supplier. Thinuli one of the supplier. Business need to pay 70,000 to Thinuli. Accountant of this business, Sarah. Sarah is responsible to pay this 70,000 to Thinuli to get continuous products. Thinuli one of the supplier. To get required products on time, Sarah need to pay cash to Thinuli. Without settling this 70,000, Sarah cannot purchase products from Thinuli. Thinuli one of the supplier. Then Lamai, but balance available in the bank account how much? 70,000. Let's say Lamai, now you are going to here. Let's say Lamai, here balance available in the bank is 30,000. But you need to issue 7,000 check. Balance available in the bank 30,000. We will erase cash book. Right. In this business, they have only 30,000 in the bank. They have only 30,000 in the bank account. Then, but now Sarah need to pay 70,000 to Thinuli. Right then, then to get products continuously, right? Sarah need to pay 7,000 to Thinuli. Then, but available balance in the bank how much? 30,000. Okay, but here to settle this 70,000, Sarah issue a 70,000 check to Thinuli. Sarah issue a 70,000 check to Thinuli. Sarah, one of the creditor, one of the supplier creditors. Sarah issue 70,000 to Thinuli. Sarah issue 70,000 check to Thinuli. After releasing 70,000 check to Thinuli, after providing 70,000 check to Thinuli, Sarah quickly called to the, let's say, Sampath Bank. Sarah maintained this bank account in the Sampath Bank. After releasing this check, Sarah contact bank manager of the Sampath Bank. Bank manager of the Sampath Bank, Nugegoda branch, Sampath Bank manager. Sarah contact Nugegoda branch, Sampath Bank manager, and then Sarah need to inform, I have only 30,000 in my account, but because of an urgent matter, I have to pay 70,000 to Thinuli. Therefore, I issued 70,000 check to Thinuli. Could you please pay this 70,000 to Thinuli? Likewise, Sarah can request from the bank manager to pay 70,000 from Sarah's bank account. Sarah පුළුවන් bank එකකින් request කරන සම්පත් bank එකේ Nugegoda branch එකෙන් මට මගේ account එකේ 7,000 pay කරන්න. But I have only 30,000. The 30,000 තියෙන ඒකට වා pay කරන්න 7,000. The remaining balance මම ඉක්මනටම settle කරනවා. I will settle the remaining balance to you as soon as possible, within 1 day, within 2 days. Sarah request from the bank manager. Okay, Sarah request from the bank manager. Again, in this type of in this kind of moment, Sarah need to issue a letter to the Sampath Bank. Sarah need to issue a letter to the Sampath Bank. Then they say, then based on that letter, Sampath Bank manager paid 70,000 to Thinuli. Based on that letter and based on that oral request, Sampath Bank paid 70,000 to Thinuli. Then remaining balance of the bank account now how much? Remaining balance of the bank account now how much? 70,000. 7,000 minus 30,000. Then how much balance? 40,000.
40,000.
Yes, very good. 40,000. And then balance brought forward 40,000. Now, alright, now balance available in the bank, how much? 40,000 a credit balance. This 40,000 a credit balance. Then this 40,000 asset, liability, equity, income or expense. How to recognize this 40,000? How much is 40,000?
Liability.
Yes, liability. You need to pay this 40,000 to Sampath Bank. Liability. Liability of your business. Liability. Liability. Credit balance available in the bank account. Liability. The technical term for this 40,000 is called bank overdraft. Bank overdraft. Bank overdraft. In short term, bank OD. In short term, bank OD. Okay. In short term, bank OD. Here, bank overdraft balance is 40,000. Overdraft balance is how much? 40,000. Excess, you have withdrawn. You have taken an excess amount from your balance. In your account, now there is a minus balance, negative balance. Negative balance. Okay, here there is a negative balance, minus balance. Okay, now the technical term for this 40,000 is bank overdraft. Now, make it technical term known bank overdraft. Bank overdraft. An excess amount you have withdrawn from your account. You have taken from your account. Bank overdraft. Bank overdraft. Clear? Is it clear? Now, do you have any doubt? Tarun, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. Tinuli, clear? Tinuli?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Now, then this 40,000 liability for the business. 40,000 liability. If you agree to pay this 40,000 to, if you agree to settle this 40,000 within 2 days, you need to deposit 40,000 in your bank account. If you agree to deposit this 40,000 within 5 days, you need to deposit. If not, in future, you will be unable to take bank overdraft from the bank. Okay, Lamai? Okay, your bank branch manager gave you an overdraft of 40,000. But your responsibility is to settle that amount on time, within agreed time period. If not, again, he will not give you bank overdraft. Okay, now this is called bank overdraft. Excess money taken from the bank account. Okay, now one of the main advantage of having bank account is obtaining bank overdraft facilities. If you have a current account, if you have a bank account, you can obtain bank overdraft facilities. For the savings account holder or fixed deposit holders, this facility is not available. This facility available only for the current account holders. Current account holders. Right. Now, is it clear the doubt? Sarah, clear? Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sonal, okay, the Sonal clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. Met me. Clear, Melody, clear,
Yes,
Melody.
sir.
Clear, right? Right, now go to page number 120. Quickly, we'll discuss information given in page number 120 and then we'll stop for the day. Right, my mobile phone battery is low. Right, no issue. We'll discuss the balance using the laptop. Huh? Right, Tani, read this area, Tani.
There are situations where banks allow their customers to issue checks for more than the existing balance in their current account. This facility is known as a bank overdraft. If the business issues checks exceeding the existing bank balance, the total of the credit side of the bank account of the business exceeds the total of the debit side of the bank account.
Right,
As
here. There are situations where banks allow their customers to issue checks for more than the existing balance. In that example, available balance was 30,000, but you paid 70,000. Bank allow you to issue checks more than the existing balance. This facility is known as bank overdraft. Now, please highlight this sentence. Please highlight this sentence. Please highlight this sentence. There are situations where the bank allows their customers to issue checks for more than the existing balance in their current account. This facility is known as bank overdraft. And then please highlight. And then if the business issue checks exceeding the existing balance, the total of the credit side of the bank account of the business exceed the total of the debit side of the bank account. Now, if you issue checks exceeding available balance, credit side balance is higher than the debit side balance. Now, if you issue checks more than the existing balance, then credit side is higher than the debit side of the bank. Okay, right, and then write this note. Write this area Tisasna.
Okay. As a result, a credit balance appears in the bank account. This credit balance of the bank account is known as bank overdraft, which is considered as a liability of the business. Accordingly, when checks are issued in excess of the existing bank balance and when the bank makes payment on them, the account holder becomes a debtor to the bank, and that debit balance in the bank is known as the bank overdraft.
Right. Now, on the other hand, as a result, a credit balance appeared in the bank account. And because of bank overdraft, there's a credit balance in the bank account. This credit balance of the bank account is known as bank overdraft. Now, in other words, now bank overdraft means credit balance available in the bank account. In other words, the credit balance available in the bank account is called bank overdraft, which is considered as a liability of the business. Now, please highlight this sentence. The credit balance of the bank account is known as a bank overdraft. In other words, right. And then which is considered as a liability of the business. Now, please highlight liability. That bank overdraft we consider as a liability of the business. Liability. So, okay, this balance is considered as a liability of the business. Right, and then accordingly, when checks are issued in excess of existing bank balance and when the bank makes payment on them, the account holder becomes a debtor to the bank. Now, account holder become a debtor. Now, from the bank side, right? Now, the account holder need to pay that amount to bank. Account holder need to pay that amount. Payable balance to bank. From the bank side, that amount receivable to the bank, the customer receivable. Right? The balance receivable from customer is an asset, debtor to the bank. Here in our question, in our example, 40,000 payable to bank. Payable to bank means from the bank side that 40,000 receivable from your business. That 40,000 receivable from your business. Okay, asset for your business organization. Sorry, asset for the bank. Asset for the bank. It means debtor to the bank. And the debit balance in the bank is known as a bank overdraft. A debit balance in the bank statement. Here it should be bank statement. Becomes a debtor to the bank, and the debit balance in the bank, not bank lamai. A debit balance in the bank statement. It is better to write down here bank statement. Or bank also okay, but better write down bank statement. A debit balance in the bank is known as bank order. Now this one also another definition for bank order. Please highlight. The debit balance of the bank account is known as bank order. It's known as bank order. Okay then. Okay then. Bank order. Give me 1 minute. Huh? For the business, this 40,000 liability. Right. From the business point of view, it's 40,000 liability. Business 40,000 liability. From the bank side, 40,000 receivable. For the bank, it's 40,000 receivable balance. Asset. Receivable balance. Asset. Okay. For the bank side, it's 40,000 receivable from you. A debtor. The business become a debtor. Business become a debtor to the debtor. Okay, right. Fine. Then here you can see one of the example in the textbook. There is example in the textbook. Okay, here, right, the balance carried down 14,000 to the side, and then balance put forward credit side for the this 40,000 back over, or after the business. Clearing right. Tell my right, finish. Right, finish about the day. Next day, we will discuss theoretical matters given in the textbook from page 122. 122 bank reconciliation. 9.2 reconciliation. Okay, this is for the day. And next day we'll complete our bank reconciliation lesson. Next day we'll complete bank reconciliation lesson. Then we'll start primary books. Primary books. Okay, right. But I have some idea to discuss. Okay, I have some idea to take 1 hour from the next day class for next chapter, for the chapter 10. We'll try to take 1 hour for the to discuss sales journal, purchase journal, general journal to discuss chapter 10, and then balance 1 hour we will allocate to discuss reconciliation, and then we'll complete reconciliation next day. Okay, and then February onwards we'll start grade 11 syllabus. Okay, with grade 10. Okay, with grade 10 is to discuss last session, to discuss correction of error session. We'll allocate some time in each day, okay, after February. And then while we discussing grade 11 syllabus, we'll discuss last session of the grade 10. Last session के correction of errors ने अभी का grade 11 ने क्या कोटा अभी टिकट discuss करेंगे, okay, step by step we'll discuss last session with grade 11. Fine. Bye. We'll stop for the day. Okay. Again, we'll meet next Tuesday. Fine. Right. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good night.
Okay. Good night.